Good afternoon. My name is Rick Unger, and I'm the Director of Special Accounts for Hatco Corporation. And today I'm pleased to announce a new product line called ServRite. ServRite will be available in 4 different models, starting with the SR1, which is a base unit only. It's also available as the SRG1, which would be a glass base unit only. The next 2 models available will be the SRG BW-1, which has the overhead gantry, and to my left here would be the SR BW-1. These models come available in a standard 120 volt for ease of plugging in, but are also available in export voltages. Now at this time I'm going to talk a little bit about each unit, and we'll start with the SR1 base unit only. The SRG1, or the base unit only, will house a 12 by 20 hotel pan, or can take 2 half-size pans, or even 3 1/3 size pans. The unit has a heating element underneath with a baffle that allows that heat to be evenly distributed from pan to pan. Also available with all models is a utensil holder, which comes with all 4 of the ServRite pieces. The next unit would be the SRB-1. That unit would be the same as what you see in the SR-1, however it is a heated black glass surface. This is excellent for putting food directly on the surface because it is NSF approved. It will also hold white dishes or any flat bottom dishes that you wish to put on this surface. Now we do recommend, when you're utilizing the black glass pieces, that you use flat bottom surface containers, as that will allow you to bring the heat all the way through to keep that food at its optimum temperature. As an example of dishes that you could use, this would be a couple, and again, as I said, you want these to be a flat bottom dish. You don't want this to be a footed dish. If you use a footed dish, you're not going to get the heat transfer to hold your food product at that optimum temperature. The SRG BW-1 is a complete buffet unit, utilizing base heat with glass and utilizing top heat and light with halogen bulbs. It also has a curved glass sneeze guard for all buffet uses of any kind. The next item would be our SR BW-1. This again is a complete buffet system, utilizing the base unit, which again will house a 12 by 20 hotel pan, or 2 half-size hotel pans, or even 3 1/3 pans. Again, available with a utensil holder. But in this situation, because it is the BW model, it has the overhead gantry with halogen light and a curved glass sneeze guard. To give you a little bit about a better idea of what halogen is, I'm going to tip this back a little bit so you have an opportunity to see that in the top of these units, both in the black glass and the standard buffet unit, it comes with 2 300-watt halogen bulbs. These halogen bulbs are controlled by a rheostat, not a thermostat, nor an infinite switch like most of our products use. A rheostat allows you to do finite adjustments of not only heat, but light. To demonstrate that, I will turn the rheostat up and down at this time. We've repositioned the ServRite to show the control panel that is placed on the side of each unit. Starting with the lighted rocker switch for ease of knowing when the unit is on or off. Next to the rocker switch, we have your temperature monitor, which shows the base heat only. Within that temperature monitor, there is a set button and an up and a down arrow. To change the setting on these units, you must press the set button, then release, then push the up or the down arrow, depending on what you want to set the thermostat at. If you want to lock the unit so no one can play with that temperature gauge and thermostat, you push the set button and the down arrow at the same time, and it will actually read the word lock. Next to that is your rheostat. The rheostat allows you to adjust the intensity of the heat and the light from the gantry above. I've repositioned again the ServRite models in the BW series side by side to show you the modularity of these units. This gives you the ability to line these up based on putting them back to back with the controls at opposite ends to give you a full buffet system, utilizing both the black glass model and the standard BW. The GR-BW-1 is also available as a carvery, and it's very easy to set up. You just remove the 12 by 20 hotel pan. You then slide the drip pan into its holder, and then put the carvery directly on its place. This gives you the ability that any of the drippings from the product you may be carving will go directly into the drip pan that protects the heating element and baffle below. As I've shown you in this video today, the ServRite buffet line is excellent for high-end hotels, casinos, buffet lines, and even catering. So in conclusion, remember, when serving your customers right, remember the Hatco ServRite heated buffet line.